Hello viewers, in this video I will show you how to see your Facebook account password. First, click on Facebook. Click on three dot. Click on settings. Click on account center. Click on password and security. There is no option to see your Facebook account password. Now click on phone settings. Click on Google. Click on Google account. Click on security settings. Now scroll down. Click on password manager. Click on Facebook. Now here click and see your Facebook account password. Thank you.